If you're searching for the best strategic fractional COO companies, you're probably at an exciting stage in your business. You've grown, you're successful, you've proven the concept, but now things feel heavier than they should. You're stuck in the weeds, managing too many people, too many projects, and too many decisions that should no longer depend on you. Does this sound a little bit too familiar? Hello there, I'm Derek Fredrickson, founder of the COO Solution, where we help seven-figure founders and CEOs scale strategically by embedding trusted fractional COOs who bring clarity, accountability, and execution to your business. I've seen this again and again with growing CEOs. I have personally worked with CEOs who have been scaling their businesses for over 15 years, especially business owners at multiple seven figures. The business hits a ceiling, not because the market slows down, but because you become the bottleneck. The irony, you built this incredible company by saying yes to everything. But now, what got you here won't get you there. It won't get you to the next stage of scaling or to the multiple 7 or 8 figure business you're really aiming for. That's where a strategic fractional COO steps in. Someone who can turn your big vision into a structured operational plan that scales. And if you're evaluating top fractional COO firms, it's worth knowing what truly sets the best apart. Let's start here. A fractional COO isn't just an operations person. They're your trusted second in command, the one who translates the vision into execution and keeps the business moving forward day after day. A fantastic COO or Chief Operating Officer, otherwise known as a second in command or even integrator for those of you that are familiar with EOS, the Entrepreneurial Operating System, will help you with this: strategic planning and forecasting, process improvement and documentation, sales, operations and metrics, financial visibility and performance tracking, technology and systems implementation, leadership development and team accountability, and risk management so you can make smarter, faster decisions. These are the core areas where high performance fractional COO services make the biggest difference. They bring structure, clarity, and alignment to your entire organization so you can focus on growth instead of firefighting. Most leading fractional COO providers offer different engagement options to suit your needs and growth stage. Some work on a monthly retainer, providing ongoing strategy, leadership, oversight, and day-to-day operational support. Others take on projects on a project-by-project basis, designing systems, leading team restructuring, or driving a specific outcome, such as a product launch or a process overhaul. And a few offer hourly or part-time consulting, though that tends to be more short-term. At the COO Solution, we blend all three through our proven 30, 60, 90-day framework. Here's what that means. In the first 30 days, we assess your current state, where things are stuck, where opportunities lie, and what's missing. In the next 60 days, we design your structure, optimizing processes, defining roles, and establishing accountability systems that work. By day 90, your COO is leading the company, driving execution and measurable progress towards your key goals. It's fast, it's flexible, and it's designed for immediate impact. Here's why outsourcing to a fractional COO partner makes so much sense for seven-figure business owners. First, number one, it's cost effective. You get executive level leadership at a fraction of the cost of a full-time hire without the high six-figure salary, benefits, or lengthy recruitment process. Second, it's flexible. You scale up or down depending upon your needs at that time, whether you're in rapid growth or stabilizing after a recent expansion. Third, it has an immediate impact. A seasoned fractional COO brings a fresh perspective. They're not tangled in your internal politics or legacy habits. They bring a fresh perspective. They see things objectively and they act fast. And finally, it's ideal for founders who want to scale without losing control. You actually get control back for your business because the best fractional COOs don't take over. They help you regain your time, your focus, and your freedom to think like a CEO again. That's what a strategic partnership looks like. So when you work with a result-driven fractional COO company, You're not just buying hours, you're purchasing a transformation. You get a trusted second in command who leads with accountability, a strategist who can execute, and third, a partner who finishes what you start. At the COO Solution, that's our specialty. We're not a one-person consultancy. We're a team based on a model of EOS-trained COOs and OBMs who know how to create systems that scale. We earn trust through results, not contracts. We focus on real implementation, not endless planning. And we specialize in helping 7-figure growth stage companies scale to 8 figures sustainably. You'll feel the difference within weeks. Less chaos, more structure, and a business that finally moves forward without everything depending upon you. Here's how you'll know if it's time. You've hit your ceiling of complexity, right? You've built the team, but can't seem to get consistent performance. You're constantly pulled back into the day-to-day. And you know, deep down, the business can't keep growing unless you step back and someone else steps in for you. That's when a fractional COO partner changes everything. If you're evaluating the best strategic fractional COO companies, take your time. Find the one that feels like a true partner. Someone who doesn't just talk about systems, but builds them with you or for you. And when you're ready, visit thecoosolution.com by clicking the link on this page or in the details of this video to see how we help you scale with structure, trust, and freedom. Because the best COO companies don't just help you grow, they help you build a business that runs without you. I'm Derek Fredrickson, and this is the COO Solution.